In this video, we will show how to use the AI Content Generator by PoCo to rewrite an existing product's description. We'll start by entering the product name and selecting it from the list. Next, we will choose to rewrite the existing product description. The product we want to rewrite is a restful oil blend. It has a short description that does not provide a lot of information. Let's say that we want to also include the ingredients and their main benefit. So in additional information, we will tell ChatGPT to include the 3 active ingredients: lavender, sweet marjoram leaf, and Hawaiian sandalwood, and their main benefit. The number of words we will keep at 100. For writing style, again, you can choose any of the existing ones or a custom one. We're going to go with persuasive. And target audience, we are going to pick something that matches the product that we want. We can go with wellness seekers, and we can also go with beauty and skin care aficionados. Finally, we're going to go with the advanced version, and we're going to click on generate description. Once the description has been generated, we can see it over here. And if we want to see a side-by-side option compared to the existing version, we can click on this button right here. This is the current description, and this is our new description, which does seem to have a persuasive tone to it and targeting the audience that we chose, which again, with 100 words is a little hard to see big distinctions, but if you go with a longer description, you will see those target audience take more of a main role. And that's how you generate a new product description. If you have any questions, feel free to click the Contact Us button here at the top, and we'll be happy to help. Thank you for using our app.